Why do calligraphy? Well, this is a question I asked my grandson when he was starting writing in school. I said, what is so special about writing? And he said, it helps me tell a story. Well, I'm Siobhan, and I hope to show you the skill of writing a card, a greeting, or a poem that actually resonates with you in calligraphy. The word calligraphy comes from the ancient Greek Calligraphos. Calli means beautiful and graphos is writing or marks. Now, it doesn't matter if you've never held a calligraphy pen. What matters is a curiosity of what happens when a pen and ink meet paper. Just like the Book of Kells, which was written in the 8th century. There, the monks made magic out of their environment of pigment and parchment. So what will we be doing with this online course? Well, we will be working with the Unsealed script, which is the forerunner of the script that you see in the Book of Kells, called the Insular Majuscule. We'll be learning penmanship skills, colour, layout, and the technique of writing those letters. Each week, we will be exploring the historical contexts of calligraphy and how it has evolved throughout the centuries. But most importantly, this is a bespoke course. You will be bringing a quotation, a poem, a line from a song, a greeting that resonates with you. And together with the skills that you've acquired so far, we will make a piece as unique as you are. Thank you for taking time to look up this calligraphy course. And I wish you long hours of enjoyment long after this course is over. In the words of W.B. Yeats, the world is full of magic things, patiently waiting for our senses to sharpen.